In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use image as text background in Figma. This is a fantastic technique for adding unique visual flair to your designs. To create striking text effects, it elevates typography and makes your message more engaging. This is a surprisingly simple process in Figma, and I'll walk you through each step, ensuring you understand how to do it effectively. To begin, we need to prepare our two main elements, a text layer and an image. Start by selecting the text tool from your Figma toolbar, the large T icon. Click anywhere on your canvas and type out the word or phrase. For best results, I highly recommend choosing a thick or bold font. Thinner fonts can make the underlying image difficult to see. Experiment with different weights and styles to find what suits your design. With your text in place, bring in your image. Drag an image file from your computer onto your Figma canvas, or use File, then Place Image from the main menu. Choose the image for your text background. Images with clear focal points or interesting textures often work best. Don't worry about the exact positioning or size of the image relative to your text just yet. We'll refine that later. With both text and image on the canvas, the next crucial step is to select both layers. Achieve this by clicking one layer, then shift-clicking the other to highlight both. Then, apply the Use as Mask command. You can right-click on your selected layers and choose Use as Mask from the context menu, or click the small mask icon in your top toolbar, which looks like a square overlapping a circle. Clicking Use as Mask will instantly clip your image within the text boundaries. The text acts as a window, revealing only parts of the image within its shape. This non-destructive technique allows full independent editing of both text and image, even after masking. To adjust the visible part of the image, double-click the image layer in the Layers panel or directly on the canvas. You can then move, scale, or rotate the image to perfectly frame the desired portion within your text.